Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. So let us see what is coming up, guys. Knight of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Knight of Cups, the Sun, Five of Pentacles. Virgos, the energy with these cards is that, guys, you are having that that determination and interest in your heart to do things that you want to do, and you are putting in tremendous efforts, and you are a very responsible person. You have great responsibility in you, or that is what people see in you, and you help others and they see you as a very useful person, a helpful person. This may be what your person sees in you, or what others from your family or friends or anyone from your circle, they may see you as a very useful, responsible person. And you are having that courage and strength and that balance in life, guys. You deal any situation with great balance and harmony, so you have a clear understanding, so you do not hurt anybody. You just maintain that balance you want to have in life, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be facing two options that you want to decide on. Something has come your way, some two options, so you may be deciding on that, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you have this great love for this person, that togetherness is there, attraction is there, and intimacy. Maybe this person wants to have intimacy, close contact with you, or you want to have that. You want to be with them always. You have this great affinity towards them. So that is also the energy with these cards, Virgos. So you want to start a new relationship with this person, or a new step in your relationship, something deepening. You want to have close contact, you want to understand them, you want to know everything about them, you want to be with them. That is also the energy here. And a very optimistic set of cards here, Virgos, for you all today. You are feeling that the sense of contentment, and you are feeling fortunate to be in your situation with this person and in your life. Maybe this person wants marriage with you, or maybe you want marriage. Just like I said, you are moving forward with this relationship. Maybe you want to have take this relationship to the next level, have an intimate union with them, maybe marriage, or you may be thinking of getting engaged, or you may be thinking of moving in with this person, sharing your life with them, having a better understanding with them. So you are taking those steps towards this person. That is also the energy with these cards, Virgos. So let us see. And I definitely see a very good understanding and compatibility in your relationship, guys. The person you are with, you have a very good understanding, and you want a very intimate relationship with this person. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here, guys. Man, birds, ring. Just like I said, we have got the ring. It means a deep commitment. Maybe you are are feeling really responsible in this relationship. You want a commitment with this person, something really happy that you want to manifest. You want the deep bond with this person, you want to be there with them. Or maybe in your life you are dealing with some kind of financial investments, or you are signing some legal agreements, or some business unions, you are making some collaborations. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are taking counsel from friends or family, somebody older than you, siblings. They may be sharing their valuable lessons to you, and they may be giving valuable counsel to you. That may also be the energy here, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. And this person is open to romance, the person you have eyes for, that you love. If you are single, and if you are interested in some person, they are also open to romance, guys, and they are also open to this intimate relationship. So they will come towards you, or they will accept your proposal. So that is also the energy here. So you want to take this relationship to a next level, guys, and you want a deep communication with this person. So that is also the energy here. You are having a deep communication. You want to share your time, your life with them, your personal space, and you love them a lot. You have a clear understanding about this person. This may be this person's energy towards you, or your energy towards this person. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, Virgos. What is the angels' guidance today? Seek within. So with this card, the angels' guidance is that, guys, sometimes we perceive the world around us based on our mental and emotional toil, whatever comes from our mind, and that is based on our beliefs and conditioning and our upbringing and our experiences, whatever we faced. So it is all based on our preconceived ideas and notions, whatever we have. So sometimes we must see the situation and seek within ourselves the true answers for that particular situations. When we think clearly without the past interfering us, we will clearly find the solution, guys. Our intuition will guide us, and that will always be right. So that is what the angels are guiding us today, Virgos. So you have to reflect within yourself and find the truth from your heart of hearts. So that is the energy with these cards. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.